Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of distinction between field and its knower. Chapter 13, Shloka 14 and 15. With hands and feet everywhere, with eyes, heads, and mouths everywhere, with ears everywhere, he exists in the world, enveloping all.
सर्वतः पाणिपादं तत् सर्वतोक्षिशिरोमुखं सर्वतः श्रुतिमल्लोके सर्वम् आवृत्य तिष्ठति.
Shining by the functions of all the senses, yet without the senses, unattached, yet supporting all, devoid of qualities, yet their experiencer.
सर्वेन्द्रियगुणाभासं सर्वेन्द्रियविवर्जितम् असक्तं सर्वभृच्चैव निर्गुणं गुणभोक्तृ च.
Chapter 13, Shloka 14 and 15. The following shlokas describe the all-pervading self-conscious principle. For ease of understanding, the unknown principle is described in terms of the known. All activities in living creatures are possible as long as life presides in the body. The hands and legs of these living creatures are made of inert matter, but they are conscious and vital in their movements. The principle of consciousness behind all is one and the same self, the Supreme Brahman. Hence, it is said to be having hands and feet everywhere. That exists pervading all is added to point out that the self is not limited to where the equipments function, but it is everywhere, even where there are no equipments. Shloka 15. The truth, while functioning through the sense organs, looks as though it possesses them, but in fact it has itself none of these faculties. Like electricity is not in the bulb, yet while functioning through the bulb and conditioned by it, the same electricity looks as though it is light, detached yet upholding all, like no wave is all the ocean. All the waves put together are also not the entire ocean. We cannot say that the ocean is attached to the waves, and though detached, all the waves are supported by the ocean. Similarly, the world of plurality is not consciousness, yet consciousness supports it. Consciousness conditioned by the mind is the ego and is the experiencer of the gunas. Unconditioned by the mind in its own nature, it is the absolute. Thus, the self as the absolute is described as beyond the sense organs, mind, and intellect, and detached from everything and without any relation to the various gunas. But the same self, conditioned by the sense organs, looks as though possessing them all and expresses itself as though it is the experiencer of the gunas. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.